Today's topic is configuration of transistor. As we know that transistor has three terminals: ammeter, base, collector. But when we connect transistor in a circuit, we require four terminals: two for input and two for output. So to solve this problem, we take one terminal as a common. So on the basis of common terminal, there are three types of transistor configuration. Number one, common base configuration. Second one is common ammeter configuration. And third one is common collector configuration. So what are these three? The common base configuration. Common base configuration is that type of configuration in which base is common between ammeter and collector. So first we will start with common base configuration. To make this configuration, we just made base common in between ammeter and collector. This is our ammeter terminal, this is base terminal, and this is collector terminal. So the input will be connected between ammeter and base. That means we will apply the input in between ammeter and base, and we will take the output from collector and base. If we connect transistor in this configuration, in this method, then this type of configuration is called common base configuration. If we will just draw the transistor circuit, then this will be like this. It is our base, it is just ammeter terminal, and it is collector terminal. So the input will be given here and output will be taken from here. So the current flowing at this terminal will be IE, and here we have IB, and at the collector terminal we have collector current, that is IC. This is the common base configuration. If we will talk about the current gain, then the current gain of common base configuration will be the output current upon input current. So the current gain, that is alpha, in common base, it will be the output current, that is IC, upon the input current, that is IE. So in common base configuration, the current gain will be IC upon I. Now the second one, that is common ammeter. So common ammeter configuration will be like this. Here in common ammeter configuration, the ammeter terminal will be common and the input will be given at the base terminal and output will be taken at the collector terminal. So if we will draw the common ammeter configuration, it will be like this. This will be the ammeter, it will be base, and it will be collector. Since the ammeter is common, so we will just connect the ammeter with base and collector. The input will be given in between base and ammeter, and the output will be taken in between collector and ammeter. Hence this ammeter is common in between both input as well as output. So this type of configuration is called common ammeter configuration. So the circuit of common ammeter configuration will be like this. This is the transistor. It is the collector terminal. This is the ammeter terminal, and it is the base terminal. So the input is provided in between base ammeter, and output is in between collector and ammeter. Here the current gain is denoted by parameter beta. The formula for current gain will be same, the output current upon input current. Here in common ammeter configuration, the output current is IC, as the current flowing at the output terminal is the collector current. So the output current is IC and the input current is IB. Because input terminal is base, so the current flowing at the input terminal is the base current, so it will be the IB. So the current gain will be the output upon input. Hence beta will be equal to IC upon IB. This is the current gain in common ammeter configuration. The third and the last one, that is common collector configuration. Common collector configuration is that configuration in which the collector terminal of the transistor is common between base and ammeter. So here this will be the ammeter, base and collector. Collector will be common in between base and ammeter. The input will be provided between base terminal and collector terminal, and output will be taken in between ammeter and collector. This is the basic block diagram. If we will just draw the circuit diagram, then the circuit will be like this. This will be the ammeter terminal. This will be the collector one, and it will be the base. So the input will be provided in between base and collector. The current flowing in the input will be IB, and output will be in between ammeter collector. The current flowing at the output terminal will be IE, since the current at the common terminal is IC. So the current gain in this common collector configuration will be the output current, that will be IE, and the input current, that will be IB. So now we can calculate the current gain in common collector configuration. It is denoted by gamma. So it will be what? The output current. Here the output current is ammeter current, that is IE, and the input current is base current, that is IB. So the current gain in common collector configuration is IE upon IB. So that was all about transistor configuration. Thank you.